Here's a simple plugin with a lot of attributes that you can add to it called Display Posts. This plugin displays the most recent post that you've put on the blog section of your WordPress website. So this isn't displaying most recent pages, but simply those posts, those blog posts. In its most simplest iteration, it is simply left bracket, display dash posts, and then right bracket. That simply displays a list of your most recent posts. There are a lot of more specific ways to work with display posts, and we'll look at all of these on an actual page in just a second. You can filter by specific categories. Those need to be pre-existing categories in WordPress. You follow up this first bit, the left bracket and display dash posts, with space, category equal, and then the name of your category in quotes. In this case, it's news. To display your most popular posts by comment count, after the display dash posts, have a space, order by equal, and then comment underscore count in your quotes. This next one involves a couple of attributes to display both an excerpt of your post and a thumbnail. After the initial left bracket and display dash posts, include underscore excerpt equal true in quotes, and then after a space, image underscore size equal thumbnail will give you an excerpt from your post and then a thumbnail image to work with. And we'll see all examples of all these in just a second. In order for the thumbnail to work, it needs to be a featured image in the post. The size does not need to be a thumbnail. It can be medium underscore large, meaning middle-sized, or large. You can also include underscore date to include the date of the post. Include underscore content will explain. Include underscore content will display all the content. And there's more documentation if you want to see more attributes that you can add within that shortcode. Go to this URL right here, wordpress.org/plugins/display posts shortcode. Let's go look at these in the context of an actual WordPress page. And here we have examples of all those permutations of the display post shortcode. We'll look at the page code in just a second, but right now I'll show you what the end user is seeing. This is display posts in its simplest form, where it's simply displaying the 5 most recent posts. So this is simply display dash posts in brackets. And again, we'll see the shortcode in just a second. This is filtering it by category. This is filtering it by comments. In other words, Wunderlust has the most comments, Engagement Hubs has the fewest comments. This is including an excerpt from the post and a thumbnail just to the left. This has the slight disadvantage of centering that first line of your excerpt. And then here is include content. We don't need to use the image attribute here because the image is included by default. So this includes the content for 5 complete blog posts. Let's go to Edit Page now and look at the shortcode for these 5 examples. And here we are. The first one, display posts, is simply this shortcode at its simplest, left bracket, display dash posts, and then right bracket. If you want to filter by category, left bracket, display dash post, space, category equal, and then whatever category you want to use, in this case engagement, there in the quotes. To order by comments, after the display post, order by equal, and then comment underscore count in the parentheses. To include both an excerpt and a thumbnail, after display posts, include underscore excerpt equal true, and then after a space, image underscore size equal thumbnail. That can be medium underscore large, or large in addition to thumbnail. And if you want the entire content of the post, you simply put after display posts, include underscore content equal, and then true in quotes. And that's how to work with display posts.